Dear student, welcome to you e-learning classes managed by Modern English School Navada. Dear student, myself Vijay Kumar, mathematics teacher of Modern English School New Area Navada. Here today I discuss some other problem of exercise 3B by the method of elimination. You have find the value of x and y from these equations. Here now write today question from 28. Question is that 3 by x plus y plus 2 by x minus y is equal to 2 and 9 by x plus y minus 4 by x minus y is equal to 1. The student here is a two variable and given in one term. So we suppose here that is let x plus y is equal to a and x minus y is equal to b. You can suppose other term. So now equation is like as 3 by a plus 2 by b is equal to 2 and 9 by a minus 4 by b is equal to 1. This the place is a and this place is b right here. Now you write suppose it is first and it is second. Multiply by 3 and it is multiplied by 1. Then you get 3 3 is 9 and 9 1 is 9. Then you multiply, then you get here 9 by a plus 6 by b is equal to 6 and it is 9 by a minus 4 by b is equal to 1. Now subtract it and plus minus here minus plus here plus minus. It cancels and it is 6 by b plus 4 by b is equal to 5. So right here that is 6 by b plus 4 by b is equal to 5. Take LCM, then LCM will be 6 plus 4 is equal to 5, then 5b is equal to 10, then b is equal to 2. It is 30 equation. Now b is equal to 2 and put the value of b in the equation first. So your equation is 3 by a plus 2 by b is equal to 2. Your question is b is equal to 2. So right here 3 by a plus 2 by 2 is equal to 2. Cancel it. Then here 3 by a plus 1 is equal to 2. Then 3 by a is equal to 2 minus 1, that is 1. Hence, a is equal to 3. Dear student, this is the questions 4, equation 4. b is equal to 2 and a is equal to 3. Now substitute their value in the equations. Here is now a is equal to 3 and a is x plus y, that is 3. It is equation 4 and b is equal to 2 and b is x minus y is equal to 2. It is equation 3. Now solve these two equations. X plus y is equal to 3 and x minus y is equal to 2. Both have coefficient same, so no any change. Here is plus minus, here is minus plus, plus minus. Then it cancels. 2y is equal to 1, then y is equal to 1 by 2. Now substitute the values. Equation first, then you get x plus y is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1 by 2, then 3. So x is equal to 3 minus 1 by 2, that is a DM2, 6 minus 1, that is x is equal to 5 by 2. So y is equal to 1 by 2 and x is equal to 5 by 2. It is the equation. So this type equation is solved 2 times. First you suppose x plus y is equal to a and x minus y is a, and then solve it. Now see here question number 33. 217x plus 131y is equal to 913 and 131x plus 217y is equal to 857. Dear student, this type question of find one thing, the coefficient of x of the first equation is always equal to the coefficient of y of the second equation. Similarly, the coefficient of the y of the first equation is equal to the coefficient of the x of the second equation. This 131, then here is 131. Here 270, then here 270. There are three questions in your book, 32, 33, 34 are solved on this method. So we solve 33. Other question you can try to solve by this method. So the solving this problem by other methods. Your first one, you add and subtract two equations without any multiplying their coefficients. So your first one only add it, never multiply by 131 and 270. So when you add it, what you get? 370, 2134, 16, 17, 18. And here is 8, 4, 3 plus 8, 4, 3. That means 348 take common is equal to 1740. Then x plus y is equal to 1740 by 348. And when divide it, then 5 times you get it is 5. So x plus y is equal to 5. It is third equations. First equation is this, second equation is this. Now with the subtracting you get fourth equation. So again you write 217x plus 131y is equal to 913. 131x plus 217y is equal to 827. Now subtract one times. Then here plus, then minus, here plus, then minus, here plus, then minus. Or you get 7 minus 1, 6, 11 minus 3, 8, minus 86x, minus it is also 86y, and here is 6 and 8, here is also 86. So take common 86, then x minus y is equal to 86. So x minus y is equal to 1. Now write here x minus y is equal to 1. It is 4 equations. Now the coefficient of both equations are same, so you subtract it. Otherwise you can also add it. You get your solution x and y. When you add, what you get here? 2x is equal to 6. So what is x? X is equal to 3. And putting the value of here, x plus y is equal to 5. Then x is equal to 3. So what is the value of y? Then it is clear. Y is equal to 5 minus 3. That is 2x. So value of x is 3 and y is 2. It is the solution. And you can solve by this process without multiplying their coefficients of equation first and second. You only add it and one time subtract it. Then you get two other equations. And from the help of two other equations, you can find the value of x and y. So dear student, you solve other three questions, 32, 33, 34 by this method, and also 2 or 3 questions in given examples. So try to solve by this process. Thank you, dear student. Now dear students, from question number 14, the coefficient is given in also in the form of algebra. In the form of variable terms. Here you see x plus y and here is also a plus b. Coefficient of x is a and coefficient of y is b, and its constant term is a square minus b square. So you have only keep in mind that x is the variable and a is the work is a constant, a and b. So you have only find the value of x, y and y in the form of a and b. So dear student, you work here equation first and here second. The coefficient of x is 1, so this is multiplied by 1. Here coefficient of x is a, so multiply by a. What you get here? You get ax plus ay is equal to a square plus ab. Similarly, multiplying by 1, then ax minus by a square minus b square. Here is plus, then we get minus, here is minus, then we get plus. It is plus, then minus, then minus, then plus. This ax is cancelled. What you get here? You get ay plus by. It is cancelled also. What you get here? Here you get ab plus b square. Now here is common is y. So it is in the form of a plus b. Here common is b. So here is a plus b also. So what is the value of y? It is equal to a plus b divided by a plus b, and here is b given. Then a plus b cancel. So y is b. If y is b and your first equation is x plus y is equal to a plus b. Here x, y is b, then it is b is equal to a plus b, and x is equal to a plus b minus b. You cancel, so x is equal to a. If x is equal to a and y is equal to b, it is the solutions of the equations when you are given in the form of algebraic form. That means coefficient is also in a b. Now see question number 44, that is 6 into ax plus by is equal to 3a plus 2b, and 6 into bx minus ay is equal to 3b minus 2a. Dear student, first you multiply here, then you get 6ax plus 6by is equal to 3a plus 2b, and here 6bx minus 6ay is equal to 3b minus 2a. Find here 6 and x. Coefficient of this is only difference. It is a and here is b. So multiply this equation by b, and here multiply the equation by a. So what you get after multiplying? You get here 6ab x plus 6b square y is equal to 3ab plus 2b square. Second equation, when you multiply, you get 6abx minus 6a square y is equal to 3ab minus 2a square. Both have same sign, so it's subtracted. It is plus, then minus, then plus. It is plus, then minus, then plus. Both have eliminate. Here is 6b square y plus 6a square y. This is 3ab and this is minus 3b. Also eliminated. It's equal to 2b square plus 2a square. Here common, take 6y. What is b square plus a square? Here common 2b square by a square. So what is the value of y? So write y is equal to 2b square by a square by 6b square plus a square. This b square is cancelled to 3 are. That means the value of y is 1 by 3. It is value of y is 1 by 3. It is the answer. The y is 1 by 3. First, here is 6ax plus 6by is equal to 3a plus 2b. Value of y is 1 by 3. Put here 6ax plus 6b into 1 by 3 is equal to 3a plus 2b. This 3 cancel to the, so 6ax plus 2b is equal to 3a plus 2b, and 6ax is equal to 3a plus 2b minus 2b. 2b cancel, so x is equal to 3a by 6a. A cancel, 3 2 that is 1 by 2. So value of x is 1 by 2 and value of y is 1 by 3. It is the solutions of the question 44. Now see question number 15. Here is x by a plus y by b is equal to a plus b, and x by a square plus y by b square is equal to 2. It is equation first and it is the second. Here is x by a, coefficient is 1 by a. Here is x by a square, coefficient is a square. So dear student, to multiply by only 1 by a, and here multiply only 1. Then a into a, you can get a square. So you write x by a square plus y by ab plus a by a plus b by a. Here multiply 1, then you get x by a square plus y by b square is equal to 2. Subtract it because both have same sign. Here is plus, then minus, so it will cancel. Then here is y by ab minus y by b square is equal to, it is 1 because a by a is 1, so write here 1, and it is 2, so we write b by a minus 1. Now take LCM, then here you get ab square divided this, then you get b, that is by, and divided this, then you get ay, and here is a, then take b minus a. Now here take common y, then y, and here b minus a. b minus a, here is ab square is equal to b minus a by a. So you write what is the value of y, that is b minus a by a into ab square by b minus a. Here is b minus a, so here ab square is there. So this is cancel and b minus a cancel. So what is the value of y, that is b square is the answer. Now if y is the b square, then substitute the value of y in the equation first. So what you get? So right here, that is x by a plus y by b is equal to a plus b. Now y is b square, so right here x by a plus b square by b is equal to a plus b. Here is x by a plus it is b is equal to a plus b. So what is the value of x by a? So it is a plus b minus b, cancel, that is a. So what is the ax? A into a, that is a square. So value of x is a square and value of y is b square. It is the solution of the equation 15. Dear students, now other questions you try to solve by this method elimination. If you have any type problem, then ask to me by personal WhatsApp number. Thank you.